Welcome to GP's vlogs. Okay, so today is the day when I have a friend here. Come here, Flavin. Come here. So Flavin has got a new bike.
What's up, guys?
He started his own YouTube channel. I would link his YouTube channel in this video's description for sure. But then only subscribe to his channel if you like his videos, okay? Or else you don't have to subscribe. So we are going out because Flavin has actually got a new bike. And I was actually thinking of riding this bike for a very long time, but I didn't get a chance. But now we are going out and riding that bike. So over to motor vlog.
Okay, so it's time I take out Optimus Prime till the place where we'll exchange the bikes and my first experience on Apache RR 310.
Okay, we are rolling, and that's Flavin crossing me. Oh, that's like, it looks so beautiful. That ride looks so beautiful. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I'm going to ride his 310 now and check how it feels to actually ride this bike. First thing first, this is not going to be a review where I would talk like professional reviewers who talk कि इसमें इतना torque है और इसमें इतना ये है. I'll be just telling you how it feels to ride this bike. Yeah, this looks so cool, man. Oh, it feels good, man. It's peppy as usual, as I could expect for the Apache to be. Whoa, it feels so good on road. It feels grounded. It is there. It's wobbling a bit, like it's going here and there because I'm used to riding Continental GT. It's very heavy, and this is like so nimble. It's going like here and there, and it's like wow. Okay, less of talking and more of doing. Okay, it controls very well. It's just that I'm not used to riding handlebars so close to me now. The Continental GT is so wide that मेरे को थोड़ा awkward feel हो रहा है, but this bike feels so cool, so cool. Let's talk about the meter. The meter looks like it's come from some alien spaceship, and I like it. The engine feels peppy enough that if I leave this throttle, if I leave this clutch right away, it'll pop a wheelie. The posture of the bike is quite comfortable. The rear sets are not very rare. They feel like more of a touring machine. I'm not used to riding a fairing wala bike that much for quite some time now, so that's a little problem. Other than that, it feels quite in control, very much in control. Somehow I feel there is that Apache DNA still there in this bike. Like, I still feel like I'm riding an Apache. Might be because of the power, or might be because of the peppiness it still has. Okay, gearing feels a little odd because the gears are not falling right. I'm on third gear now. This meter is showing me I'm on third gear. Okay, we've come to highway. Not going to run. We're going to take a small, quick spin of very slow ride. Not going to rush. The engine feels quite talky, but there is this moongi wala vibrations on this bike. Like, I don't know what is this vibration. I have to grip the handlebars very strong to kill those vibrations which are reaching my hands. Now those vibrations are not like Royal Enfield's vibrations. These are like, you know, moongi wala vibrations. So I cannot exactly tell you what I feel. Fun to ride. Has its own charm. Feels good because I'm riding it for the first time. Looks good. Has nice control. Gives me feeling of me riding an Apache. Does it have ABS? I get fucking scared with ABS bikes, man.
Even I'm not so much used to it.
I'm not used to it. Okay, for a 310cc bike, I don't feel it that powerfully. Here, click some nice pictures.
And when you're wearing a shorts or something and when you're riding,
It gives you a lot of heat.
seriously it will start burning.
Okay. Braking and controlling of this bike was to the point.
Yeah.
Like it was doing well. But then there is that mungi wala vibrations which is peculiar characteristics of an Apache which still exists on this bike. Okay, I am a big fan of Apache as a series from TVS, and this bike, as good as it looks, it rides that well, but I didn't get much to ride anyways, but then still I feel it's done justice, and I was happy riding this. I'm sure that I'm not going to leave Optimus Prime like way beyond. Someone who wants to get a 300cc bike and actually doesn't want to have the feel of KTM Duke 390 where you get a lot of punch when you release that clutch, I think this is a superb bike. Yeah, I feel it's cool. It's cool. Yeah, Flavin used to ride a 180 Apache. He's done what? Kanyakumari? Yeah, he's done Mumbai to Kanyakumari and back on his 180 Apache 180, and now he's progressed to an Apache RR 310. Wish you luck, man.
Thanks a lot.
I'm sure you're doing superb, and keep riding, man. Oh, we go ahead now. Okay, so my review of. Okay, I seriously don't know if this is OGF, but I don't think he is OGF, but he looks so